Fire hydrants, a year-round job, especially in the spring and fall.
I did not know, but
Yes.
now I do. Thanks to WCPO 9 First Warning meteorologist Jennifer Ketchmark, who has taken us behind the scenes this morning of what it all takes to keep us safe.
It's critical because you have a fire hydrant when the fire department show up and they go to turn a hydrant on and you're hooked up to it and you're trying to get your house that's on fire and get it out as fast as possible. If the hydrant doesn't work, that's going to be a problem.
They are fixtures in our towns and on our streets, and someone has to make sure they work. That's where the Hamilton County Field Operations comes in to literally do the dirty work.
We have about 15,000 hydrants there, and then we have another 6,000 hydrants in the incorporated jurisdictions. Go all the way out to Anderson, then we also go to Delhi. Both of those are a little bit of a drive.
While the fall brings about a blitz of repairs thanks to our better weather, these crews are answering the call to keep the water flowing or stop it from flowing all the time.
What's wrong with this one in particular? Why did it get called in?
It's leaking. That's what it came in as.
I joined the crew as they repaired a fire hydrant in Forest Park, and there is no doubt the weather impacts their day and also the hydrants that they need to repair.
So wintertime, our biggest thing is if stuff does come in leaking just overnight, that whole thing will freeze and we'll have to be out here with a large torch and putting it on the hydrant, pretty much waiting for it to thaw out.
And if it's not eroding away at the metal, the weather sometimes creates a problem when no one wants to be outside in the elements.
They go through everything. I mean, like I said, it can be 100 degrees out, they'll be out there. If it's 5 degrees out there, they're out. All elements besides rain. Rain's the only one we don't really do because of safety concerns for that.
365 days a year. Crews like this are working hard in the weather and making it work. I'm Jennifer Ketchmark, WCPO 9 News.